The fight to allow Lucas County private schools to keep their doors open in the midst of this coronavirus surge is now in federal court. 3 schools are challenging the health department's order to suspend in-person learning in sports. I-Team reporter Sean Haggerty tells us where the case goes now. Sean.
And Diane, it's Emmanuel Christian, Monclova Christian here at St. John's Jesuit. They are the schools involved in the lawsuit. Now they're asking for a temporary restraining order against the health department's order, saying that order violates their protection of religious freedom. Monclova Christian Academy knows all too well that COVID-19 is serious. The head pastor tells 13 ABC the school is closed for 2 weeks as it dealt with a COVID spread. For them, the legal issue is not the virus. Pastor Jeremy Rand saying this is about unnecessary government overreach. The pastor made this recorded message earlier this week.
We don't need unelected boards dictating and placing orders upon us. And as an American, we need to realize that is dangerous.
It's not that Lucas County Board of Health can't ever shut them down in response to COVID. It's that if Lucas County Board of Health is closing those religious schools, they need to do so in a way that's fair to them as compared to other non-religious activities. And they need to have some strong reasons.
Dr. Lee Strang, a University of Toledo constitutional law professor, expects the arguments in part to be, why can religious schools not open and allow kids to practice their faith if the health department isn't shutting down all public places? The school says in the lawsuit, the act of worship, or engaging in physical or mental acts to honor God, takes many forms beyond singing songs in the assembled company of other believers. For many, religious education and religious worship go hand in glove.
On the one hand, the Board of Health is saying, hey, you religious schools, you guys can't fulfill your religious mission. But at the same time, if you want to go to the casino, go ahead. If you want to go to a rock concert, go ahead and do that. If you want to exercise, go ahead and do that.
Health department lawyers in a filing Tuesday countered the suit, saying they do have the lawful ability to close schools in a pandemic and that it's being done across the board to all 7th through 12th grade schools in Lucas County, not just religious schools.
One of the things that the plaintiffs have to show in order for their claim to be powerful under current Supreme Court jurisprudence is that their religious activities are being treated less well than secular activities.
The court has asked for a response from the schools by Thursday to the health department's latest filing. That's when we may learn if a hearing will be held to discuss that temporary restraining order. Diane?